Alright, so we left off a day after reporting this guy to the police.
It's something about trash cans and trash trucks.
Yeah.
He gets really excited by it. And
Okay.
so that's why he's doing it.
You're a very... Sorry. I'm out.
Now, nothing happens for 2 weeks, and we start thinking, alright, we're in the clear, everything's good, and then boom.
Greenman, I'm sorry. Can I say you're sorry before you? Thank you. You're really sorry for me? Okay, buddy. Bye-bye.
So I waste no time and call it into the police. They have an officer call me back. He makes it clear that there's nothing he can do, even if I press charges. He wasn't interested in looking at new footage or contacting the suspect. It seemed like he wasn't interested in helping. He suggested I get a restraining order, which can cost around $400, and it might take a good chunk of your day.
Now, are you okay? Bye. You okay? Bye-bye. See you later. How are you doing? Okay, bud? Don't ever rely That's right. Who remembers it's not correct to go on your job? Yeah.
Watch him take this empty can to the front lawn just so they can be together. So I started hiding the trash cans in the backyard.
Because look what happened. You took him away. Oh no. Joseph, you just look. But I don't see you. I don't see it.
But that led to an increase in visits.
That's right. When police hate to rely, they can look at you. I don't see his barrel. They end all. That's good. As soon as I look to see there's no barrels out yet. serious. You better stop me.
Are you calling the
No.
cops? You'll be in big trouble with me. Don't come in here again. Is that your business? Yes. I know that's your job. Is that correct?
Get out, please. Get out.
I am. Sorry, man.
You're not sorry. You keep doing it.
I'll stop.
You keep doing it.
I'll stop. I won't do it again.
It's clear that Slo PD has no interest in providing solutions or consequences for this guy. So it looks like I need to start plan B. Straight up Home Alone style trap setting. I'm talking red hot doorknobs, paint cans on strings, tar, nails, maybe a tarantula if I can find one, I don't know. I'm gonna turn my side yard into a f***ing war zone where no one's safe. Nah, just playing. But I am thinking about some sort of deterrence, maybe a siren or a strobe light. Not sure yet. Anyways, I'll keep you guys updated. Thanks for watching. More to come.